Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, my name is Babs, the budgeting coach. And if you're not new, of course, karibuni sana and good to see you again. So today is a really special day. So we are launching this really new, amazing end of year savings challenge, and that's why I'm coming to you super excited. It's basically meant to help you anticipate your end of year needs, and you're able to collectively come up with your figure for December and be able to prepare all the money that you need for the end of year December responsibilities in advance, something that most people barely do. I'm coming to you as, of course, the personal finance coach. So I'm here to guide most of you to ensure that we do follow through with the savings challenge, and we ensure that we do not have an end of year crunch and, January long months where we are really looking forward to our salaries because we did not prepare well for our December and January obligations. On to the video. So for the savings challenge, I prepared two templates, so a pink one and a blue one. So I got the boys and the ladies covered, the gentlemen and the ladies covered this time. So you can see the savings goal is clearly stated, and start date, end date, minimum contributions are clearly stated. And the most important thing to do is to make sure once you're able to put aside the funds or the savings for any given period, you tick the done section so that the table and the pie chart can accumulate, or rather cumulatively be able to separate what has been paid and what's remaining to be saved. Why do I keep saying paid? Yeah, so very crucial. And the submission date is the date you actually tick the box, so very important as well to ensure you do it on the said date so that you do not lose track and you're able to have the correct data records for your own benefit. I show the blue one as well, which is, of course, I used 200,000 for demonstration purposes again, and minimum contribution is there. Amount saved and amount remaining are calculated by the tool. Again, you make sure you press done, and the submission dates are clearly shown there, and the date will be the date you actually tick, like you can see there, to the minute, to the second. So make sure you do not mess around with the formulas. Amount saved and amount remaining are going to be clearly increasing and reducing respectively, depending on how you work with the tool. And if this is something that you're interested in, please feel free to reach out. It will be very easy to access from me and very easy to purchase, because definitely it will be a purchase, but a very small donation to support the channel.